Hi guys, so I just got a delivery in, and when I saw the size of the box, I'm like, oh, I know what that is. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys real quick. So any links I have for these items, will be in the description box. There'll be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So thank you guys for using those. So the main thing, it's a Crafter's Companion kit, and to be honest, it would have been here sooner had I bought it on craft day, but I really was just on the fence because it's quite an expense. So obviously in the title you'll have seen what I'm referring to, but it is the I don't even know, it's called the Year of Stamps or Monthly Stamps. Anyway, I don't remember the name right now, but it'll be in the title, of course, and again the links will be there. But it is an expense. It was not inexpensive, and so I was really on the fence. So of course I ended up paying shipping for it because I didn't buy it on the craft day. But yeah, so we'll get to that in just a second, but I did want to show you a couple other things that came in, and then we'll, basically this is an unboxing of that kit. So, a couple of things that I got not too long ago. These just came in themselves, but they're just nail polishes, and I know not everyone's into this, but I really love Deborah Lippman's nail polish. I think I did a review recently for it, but this one's the Gel Lab Pro Color. It's called Little Wonders, and I just thought they were so cute. Look at this one. It's very 80s, and just very sheer and sparkly in that beautiful pink, called Playtime and I Like Me. But look at the cute packaging. I think it's adorable. And then this one was kind of interesting. I didn't realize it was going to be separate like this, so it comes with the kit, and you see these are smaller bottles, and I don't mind getting small bottles of nail polish as long as the brush itself is still a good size, like inside there. Because really, when have you ever really gotten to the bottom of nail polish? Well, at least I haven't, because I have hundreds of them, so if not thousands of them, so I haven't. But very rarely will I finish a whole bottle, unless it's like the stuff I have on my nails right now, which is like the pink coat nail polish. I forget the name. Perfect something. Anyway, these are very subdued colors. I mean, it really matches this outer frame they put on here. Oh, it's very paper crafty, isn't it? Anyhow, so very subdued colors. Thought it was pretty cool. And then it came with these Stripper to Go, it's called. But basically, it's like these little mitts you put on just one finger, and you can take your nail polish off, and it like has a scrubby kind of feel to it. Not really. It's just a little. Supposedly it's scrubby, but it's just like cotton. Okay. So this is what came today, and I think there are 2 things in here, if not 3. So let me open this up real quick. We will see. Yeah, okay, good. So there are 2 things in here. Ooh, Lord, this is heavy. Okay. I'll put this off to the side for now. And I'm sorry, the window's open and the sun's coming in a weird way, and then this... I haven't made a video in the afternoon in a long time. My husband's out riding his trainer bike, which is in the garage. He didn't leave, but he rides in the garage, and gave me a minute here, and then the kids are doing other things. So this is the Diamond Press Hidden Messages Friends auto ship. It's for the it's for the first hidden messages they had brought out, the one with like the iris. So super cute. I love that this one comes in its packaging. Oh, and another question a person had for me this morning was if these fit in the tonic binders, the ones that I've been showing you guys, the A5 binder that, they have it in the designer's choice, so they have like an orange one because tonic, their colors are like orange and black. Yes, they do, and I went to try it for her because I was like, oh, let me go try that for you. Ooh, who's calling? I knew I shouldn't have brought my phone in here. All right, and these fit perfectly. I mean, I guess I can pull one out for you, but that's what I was trying to explain to her. I said, okay, yeah, they do. I said, but I'm talking about the smaller pouches, the one that hold like the marquee auto ship or things like that, not the big guys, because sometimes Diamond Press puts out big pouches. So this A5 holds these perfectly. Look at that. Perfectly. So I was like, oh, it's pretty cool. So she asked, and I checked it out, and it worked. And I'll open this up really quickly. This is an auto ship, so you can't get it now anyway, but that's kind of why I don't really do unboxings of this. But look at the stamps on this one. So cute. The little teacups, I guess if you want to call them teacups. I love that it has like these little sentiments that go around them. Look at this. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And then these guys. Oh, so adorable. And it's funny, people always say, oh, I didn't get the auto ship, and I'm like, I'm always encouraging you guys to get the auto ship. It doesn't occur to me that sometimes the auto ship sells out, so the only thing the person can get is the single ship. So, but if you have the option whenever, I don't care whose company it is or what it is, get the auto ship, because you can always skip, but you can never get it later. I mean, You can never get into the auto ship, and sometimes they will bring back certain ones later, but not typical. Sorry about that. Okay, let me open this up. Okay. So I was curious about this because for me, and I just feel kind of weird about it, it's expensive. This is probably the price of like a Gemini machine, right? The Junior or something, you know, if you get on a decent sale. So I was just really kind of torn. I really wanted it. I was really like, are you really going to use it? Because this is not inexpensive. You know, I mentioned earlier, Tonic has those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gatefold dies that they just came out with. And I'm still on the fence. Do I want to get the whole set? Because, you know, they're just under $100, even though you get some papers free and stuff. Or do I want to just get one of them to try it out? Because it's an expense. So this right here is like $80 more expensive than that. So I was very curious. And the way I put it in my mind was, okay, they are photopolymer stamps. All right, so let me rationalize my my spending here. They're all photopolymer and they all have dyes that go along with them, right? So that's really cool, really great. I love this daffodil. This was one of my favorite ones, of course, Real Roses, but there's a few, like this one I have a feeling is gonna be hard for me to color. So it wasn't my favorite, even though I love carnations. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's carnation. But this, you know, the chrysanthemum, the daffodil, I thought this was really a sweet one. This guy I thought was also very cute, the primrose, but there are other ones that I just was like, I need to get that. Asters are pretty. This Lily of the Valley, so cute. Gladiolus, oh, I didn't even notice that one. I have gladiolus. I just threw some bulbs in the ground, like in a pot actually, that I have a little Nagami kumquat growing out of, and I just threw them in there, and they grow so gorgeous, way taller than the little kumquat tree that's in there. And then, you know, every year they multiply more and more, and I got them at the dollar store to begin with, so I was like, well worth it. And they're really a lot similar in the color. Well, they're a little more peachy. So pretty. And then, of course, a narcissus, another plant I have. I have paper whites. So is that a different type of narcissus? I don't know, but they're called paper whites. Some other ones I have are really, really white and really pretty. Calendula. Don't have any of that, but it's gorgeous. And water lilies. I would love to have water lilies, but it's like, don't want to maintain a little pond. I don't know. I think it'd be nice. I love the little card examples they have on here, and that's just your focal point. But these were my favorite ones, so I was really happy to have it. But again, photopolymer, they have dyes. What I thought was cute is that each one has like a little extra thing. It's not just the flower, you know, like, well, I don't say each one, because this one, of course, I grabbed one and it doesn't. But like this one has like this little label, like little tag die. This one has this little label. This one has this one. So I think it's really cute. It is an expense. It's not inexpensive. And, you know, I really wanted it. I thought about it for how long, you know. And then like this one has a little tag. So they all have their dyes. Again, like I said, they're photopolymer. That's kind of what put me over. So there's 12 sets here. And let's just round the number. Let's say it's 180. So $10 a set makes it 120, and then 60 more bucks for these things. But $10 a set is actually pretty decent, right, for photopolymer plus the dyes. So I'm like, I don't know. Am I rationalizing too much? It's really pretty. Then you get the large storage folder. Of course, it's empty. It doesn't have anything in it. But this is the other thing that was I was questioning on their website. They kept saying it comes with 2 large sheets, large folder sheets, and then 4 of the small one, and I'm like, first of all, the small one doesn't even fit in here with it, does it? No, so I'm not sure why it has a small folder. I thought that was really weird. And I'm looking at it right now, there are 3 pieces in here. So the listing was weird, and then the way they presented it was a little bit different. So again, this is all from HSN. So this has the 3 small ones, but I happen to have a small folder that I don't have any magnetic carriers or even the stamp carriers for. It's just empty. So I thought, well, I'll pop these in there because this does not fit in the folder. I don't know why these are here. It's kind of weird. She said that, I remember Sarah saying that everything basically fits on these. So I think that's why they're like, okay, we need this many, and then these guys, but why don't they just do like 2 more large sheets or something? I don't understand this. It's just there. But, okay. I digress. And then it said there's 2 of these, you know, when they're presented, they kept saying there's 2 sheets. And then in the listing, there's a picture of 4, like 4 actual panels. But then in the listing, it says 2 sheets. So I'm like, okay. So I was hoping it'd be 4. So it is 4 because it's 2 and 2. And together it makes 4, right? So these do fit in here, and there are 4 of them, which is good. I did review these not too long ago, actually a while back, and I don't remember them being all that sticky, but these feel thicker and better than the ones I reviewed before. So I don't know if they change them, maybe. I'm happy to have this. I know it's an expense. I'm not, you know, whenever I show you guys something, it's not because I'm like, oh, you should go get this, or, you know, even put an opinion on the value of something, because, like, unless it's like a huge sale, then I'm like, okay, guys, this is amazing. This is an expense. I was really on the fence. I was thinking about it for a long time, but I finally got it, and I'm like, isn't my birthday coming up? No. Oh, Valentine's. Let's say it's a Valentine gift, okay? We'll just leave it at that. But anyway, I did want to show you this just in case you guys were curious, too, because, you know, a lot of times they have the things out, and it's like, so I'll review this. I'll definitely, like, I'll open one right now just so you can kind of have a visual, but, I mean, you're just going to make cards with them. And if you like coloring, this is your thing. If you don't like coloring, this is not going to be your thing because you have to color these guys. I do think it's cute that they have, like, separate little flowers and, like, little leaves and things you can mix and match together if you wanted, but obviously the leaves go, you know, with that flower. I was trying to see if, like, if we cut this, does it go back in the center here? It kind of does. I don't think I would try to layer this on here, but it's cute. And then, like, this one has their little bud, you know, and, you know, they smell awesome, just like photopolymer. But so I did want to show it to you guys because, of course, I'll be using it, and just to let you guys know. And, you know, if you're curious to check them out, there it is. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Maybe you guys will make me feel better about my purchase. Tell you, oh, it looks great. No, I'm just kidding. It just was, you know, when you think about it, and I'm like, I know I'll buy, like, their big, you know, like the whole collection of that new Caring Thoughts, which is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I'm really happy to have that. And, you know, this was, you know, maybe 20 or 30 bucks more than that. But you know, it's papers and stamps and dies and, like, you know, ribbons, all kinds of things that we can do other things with. So I feel like those purchases are different. They're different in my mind for me. This right here, I was like, I really had to think about it. So I'm happy to have it. I think it's pretty, but you know, time will tell. I will definitely try to use these very soon to see how well it all goes, but I don't see that there be any problem. I mean, it's a die and stamps, all right? So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great night. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a Busted Out. All right, bye now.